Nokia Race Max 2023, 5G, first looks, release date, price. Nokia Race Max 2023 with specs like 108MP cameras, 12GB RAM, and a huge 8500 mAh battery. Come and see more Nokia Race Max specifications below. Exciting news for all Nokia fans. Soon, most people in developed countries are expected to have a smartphone. This is because smartphones have become more affordable. Research suggests that Nokia has just announced their new Nokia Race Max, their latest phone. As Nokia's upcoming phone comes out, the unique shining colors and the high caliber are generating onlookers' talk worldwide. If you're looking for a phone that'll offer cutting-edge 5G capabilities, this device is an excellent choice. You can check out the price, release date, and technical specifications of it on our WattMobile24 site. Nokia Race Max 2023 full specifications. Display. Nokia, an organization with a new device, is focusing on its latest gadget's large 6.8-inch Super AMOLED display with 1080 by 2400 pixels resolution. Also, the screen is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7. Camera. The most popular feature of a smartphone is its optics department. This smartphone comes with 3 rear cameras, 108 megapixels, 38 megapixels, and 16 megapixels, and 1 front camera, 40 megapixels, with a flashlight. It has a dual nano SIM slot that allows the users to use 2 SIM cards at a time. Operating system. This fast smartphone takes power from the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 5G chipset as the processor, which makes it much faster than before. It also boots the latest Android 14 version OS. RAM and ROM. This phone offers a lot of storage, so you can store all your favorite music, videos, and photos on the device. This smartphone has 8GB/256GB RAM, and 12GB/512GB RAM in terms of storage. Additionally, it has a micro SD card slot for storage expansion of up to 512GB. Battery. Nokia Race Max 5G phone has a massive battery built into the device. It holds 8500 mAh of power. And it's quick charging compatible, meaning you can get hours of power with just minutes of charge. More info. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, LTE, Bluetooth, and more. It also comes with a fingerprint sensor, Face ID, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, and barometer. Nokia Race Max 5G 2023 release date. For now, the Nokia phone release date hasn't been confirmed yet. Nokia's latest smartphone, the Nokia Race Max release date will be the 10th of December 2023. Or it may be too late for it to gain any traction in the marketplace.